Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2012 Volkswagen Golf. Now the most notable features on this Golf is its cargo cover. You also have your keyless entry along with your AM/FM CD player. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2012 Volkswagen Golf. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Golf is its daytime running lights. You also have, if we take a closer look over on the side, your 15-inch wheels. Now you also have your integrated signal lamps as well as your foldable mirrors and heated mirrors. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is blue. Now taking a closer look just at your front dash as well as your front seats, you have your black cloth interior. As you can see, you have your light controls just over on the left-hand side, mirror controls with heated mirrors, window controls, window locks, and power locks. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, as you can see, you have your odometer reading with your trip info, and then you also have your digital clock on here as well. Now, if we take a closer look, as you can see, you do have your exterior temperature gauge located on here as well. And taking a closer look at the center dash, you have your AM/FM CD player, along with your temperature control settings, traction control on and off, mounted to an automatic transmission, and then you'll find your hazard lights just looking at the top there, and you'll have a sunglass case holder, and your light controls just at the very top. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your trunk. Now, taking a look, you'll just find the rear hatch release just located in your Volkswagen emblem there, and as you can see, you have the cargo cover and your rear foldable seat just in case you do need the additional space. And if we take a closer look, as you can see, you have a cargo liner in the back here, which is nice because if you spill any liquids on here, it makes things easier to clean up afterwards. Spare tire as well as your jack and toolkit will be located just down below, so if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.